I am not a craft hoarder. I just need a bigger house. Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. I'm so glad to see you here. Today's little tutorial is very Pinterest inspired. I am sure if you go on Pinterest you have seen it at least once, and you can do so much with it. It is DIY pebble art. You take rocks and pebbles and basically things out of your yard, and you stick them and make pictures, and oh, they turn out so cute. So this is what we're going to try today, and this is, I have to warn you, my first try. I didn't even make a test one. I just saw it, said, oh, I am going to try that. So going in blind, which is normal for me, you know that. I have no clue what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out together, okay? So let's see what we need. Alright, first thing you're going to need is a board. And like I said, I grabbed the first board I found. I did sand down the sides so I didn't get any splinters in these old hands. And then I started digging to my stash. So I came up with rocks. These are actually right out of my yard. These ones, Dollar Tree rocks. I found these little plastic hearts left over from Valentine's Day. I have some pink ones and some red ones. I found the Spanish moss. I actually, on the way in, grabbed a twig to cut up. I'm not sure, but you know. Or if I don't like the way this goes, I've always got my trusty little green twine here. You know me and twine. And also, if you don't like the twig or the twine, and if you're anything like me, you can use these. Do you know what these are? These are the leftovers after I've removed flowers, the Dollar Tree flowers. I bought them because I wanted the flowers, so I got leaves and twigs. And why wouldn't these work? Okay, so these are options. Like I said, I have no clue what I'm going to do. So, and I have, of course, the Dollar Tree little glass things. I actually have some marbles in here, these glass stones, all different sizes. I have some of these type of rocks, all from the Dollar Tree. Some more stones. Okay. I mean, just laying them out there. Look at the pretty flowers you can make with this. Put the colors together, mix them up. This is going to be fun. This is imagination let loose. So, oh, and of course, to get them on there, you're going to need your trusty hot glue. Don't forget that. So, this is what you're going to need. Anything that you can find. I am going to do, like I said, this simple little flower. This is my first try, so it's going to be super simple. But I'm sure, depending on how much I like this, you're going to see more of this. This is, I mean, it's one of those things like, why didn't I do this sooner? You know, that type of thing. the kids would love this. Give them a piece of wood, some Elmer's glue, a bunch of colored rocks. You never know what those kids can do. So, alright, so enough chatting. Let's get to work. Wasn't that like so simple and so much fun? Like I said, it's one of those, why haven't I done this sooner? I always have little things hanging around anyway that I have no clue what to do with, and this turned out so pretty and so much inspiration. Different color backgrounds, plain rocks, the heart-shaped, the little plastic thing. I mean, the ideas are endless. So, but I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope you got a little bit of inspiration and some ideas going here. And I really hope that you will hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. You know, say, you know, you liked it, you didn't like it, why you didn't like it, what, you know, I talk too much, I don't talk enough, what, just talk to me. So, I really hope you enjoyed this, and I really do hope to see you soon. So, you have a really great day. Bye-bye now.